right. Mr. Pennington, I am not going to sit here and argue with you on your position. It is your position. You are entitled to it. It is fair to say that I disagree with a number of things you said, and I participated in the trial. I watched the trial. I listened to the evidence, and I disagree with a number of the things you said. I'm not going to go any further. It would not be proper for me to sit here and try to offer an argument against your version of things, and I'm not going to do that. You're right, you do have an appeal process. I'm not going to tell you how to handle that. I'm not going to tell you what is going to happen with that. That is up to you. What I can tell you is that we had a jury listen to the evidence and find you guilty of 2 counts. I'm here today to sentence you to that. I'm here today to follow the law when it comes to the sentencing of those 2 counts, and that is what we're here today to do. Counsel,
Morning, Judge. Thank you for allowing me to speak.
Could you please state your full name?
Yes. I'm Pastor Andre Miller. I am the Vice President of the Arizona State Conference of the NAACP.
Good morning.
I stand requesting that the judge will be mindful of Arizona Revised Statute 13-603L and issue a special order to the Board of Clemency due to the excessive sentencing nature of this conviction, knowing the many factors concerning this case that should cause pause. There are many concerns with this case: sexual assault without contact, facilitation without verification of a supposed victim. Oh, I'm sorry. There are many. You want me to go right to the top? Okay, thank you. There are many concerns with this case: sexual assault without contact, facilitation without verification of the supposed victim, the actual perpetrator of the assault and sexual contact being free and having no charges. As an officer of the state NAACP, I did ask for an integrity review from the county attorney, and it was my belief that that would happen prior to sentencing because it's hard to unravel a conviction, especially with Black and brown defendants. This is an unjust conviction in the view of many, in my view as a father, pastor, and community advocate. Judge Mender, this is an opportunity for you to do what's right and not just what's required. Thank you for your time and consideration.
Thank you. I appreciate hearing from you. It does not mean that I don't have some level of or that I don't cling to some level of hope that you have not done these things. Okay? I want you to understand that. You have an opportunity, whether through appeals or post-conviction relief, to make those arguments. And I raise this now. I normally don't say that, but I raise it now because you have, in your briefing and in your discussions here today, talked about a lot of things that you did not raise at trial. No idea whether that would have changed anybody's mind at trial. I have no idea what evidence you have to support those things. It is clear that you have a firm conviction. It is clear that your family has a firm conviction. It is clear that members of your community have a firm conviction, or the community, I should say, have a firm conviction that this is an unjust result. And I recognize that.